Hello guys, today I will show you how to install languages in Termux in Android. It's for the beginners. We'll start our installing the languages. First we install the Python language. For Python language installation, we have to type pkg install python3. The 3 is the third version and press enter. It will take some times in your terminal. I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After this we will install pkg install go language. This also very important language guys. Please install this language by pressing enter. It will take some times in your terminal. I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. Again we will install C language. pkg install C language. See guys, this type of 3 languages we installed. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.